Hi everyone, Sean Matthews from Banksy Consulting Group. Looking forward to being part of the ISSA Cleaning and Hygiene Expo at Sydney ISSA in a few weeks' time. Just wanted to give you a quick shout out around the LinkedIn workshop. Michelle Raymond, who's a chief social media strategist and an absolute expert on company LinkedIn pages, will be joining me for the workshop. We're going to create a real interactive approach to the workshop, helping you boost your brand awareness and understanding of LinkedIn and all things LinkedIn in order to grow your business. It'll be an interesting, insightful workshop, and hopefully you'll get a lot of benefit out of it. Michelle's had a lot of experience in this background. I've been a LinkedIn user for 10 plus years. So hopefully we'll give you some great insights, and we'll create an interactive approach to the workshop. Keep in mind that we're sending out a survey with 10 quick questions around LinkedIn. We hopefully you'll complete, and it will give us more insight into where you're at on that journey. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. Please register. There's limited spots. So we're looking forward to seeing you on the day. Only a few short weeks away, and look forward to seeing you then. Cheers.